let me talk to you. Your request is on the screen. So in today's video, I will be showing you all how to open Bath & Body Works. This is a shower gel bottle, but they make the same top for the lotions. So in today's video, I will be showing you all exactly how to open a bottle of Bath & Body Works 24 hours. Pay attention. Bump the nails. 24-hour moisture body lotion. They still make it. There's another variation of it out now, at least since last year. But let's get into it. This is gonna go fast. Make sure you take notes and rewind it back if you need to. Although this is shower gel, Bath & Body Works body lotions come in this same packaging. Okay. Body lotions are a bit thinner than the body cream. Comes in the taller squeeze tubes. Get it? Got it? No? Okay. This is called a flip cap. So this is what we're working with. You're able to twist it off. Okay? Twist it off. Quick whiff for old time's sake. This is Pink Pineapple Sunrise. I used to have the lotion to it. I couldn't find a lotion. I'm pretty sure I had Bath & Body Works Into the Night lotion. I can't find her. Sis is hiding from me, or either I gave sis away. This is what we're dealing with. Now we're going to take a look at the mechanisms here of this flip cap. This is called a flip cap for a reason, because when you open it, you flip that cap open. I'm going to show you again. When you open it, flip that cap open. And one more time, when you open it, flip that cap open. Now when you open it, bam. Okay. On the inside, this is the opening that allows for it to pass through this opening. So let me show it to you. Like, this is the opening that when you turn the bottle downwards, it goes through here and it oozes itself out. Maybe that's not the best word. It's okay. Let me show you how to open it. Now, when you get it, it's normally going to have either a seal on it or not a seal. All in all, make sure you check your stuff, baby, just to make sure that your stuff ain't been tampered with. Else, carry sister girl back to Bath & Body Works. Okay. And bring your receipt too. We are going to grip it. Our bottle of body lotion, or our bottle of Bath & Body Works 24-hour moisture body lotion in the hand that's the most comfortable. It don't have to be the most dominant hand, it just has to be the hand most comfortable. Now this is where you're gonna need your other hand to be free. Okay? You're gonna turn that sideways. Okay? And here's what I want you to do. You see where that logo is? I think they still make the engraved logo on the top of these flip caps for these body lotions specifically. I want you to locate this area here, and I want you to take the index finger of your other hand that's free, your other free hand. Hit that, okay? We're gonna do this one more time. Hold in your most comfortable hand, whichever hand is most comfortable. Take your free hand, get sister girl index finger out, or brother man index finger out, because they make body lotions for men too. Find this area, turn it to the back of the bottle. A lot of times, let me let you in on a little secret. It's not so secret. Sometimes this part of the bottle is on the front. That's because the manufacturers don't always turn these flip cap bottles the same way. So by the time they make it to the stores, some of them all on the back, some of them all the front. They all over the place. Just make sure it's working. Take your free index finger, find that area where it has that dip in it. Do this. Now you're going to turn it to the same free hand, and you should hear air out of it, or lotion should be flying out of it. Okay? Now, I don't want y'all to be hard on yourself, but if you have to rewind this back and repeat the steps, please do. I am all too happy to hear that, you know what, I'm such and such about, I can't believe I had to search it up, baby. Because there's somebody like me that probably done made a video about it. And so I do hope that this helps you. To the person who asked the question, your comment is on the screen at the beginning of this video. And to anybody else that's having trouble with the flip cap. Now, you do have to be careful with flip caps, because these can get jammed up full of lotion. So keep it clean. I have a video on how to clean flip cap tops for lotions and soap, one or the other. But I'm going to link it to the end of this video. I love each and every one of you. Peace.
When I think about love, it's one of the bravest things that you can do. It is patient, it is kind, it does not envy or boast, and it'll keep you on the coast of not being rude or self-seeking. Nor is it easily angered or seething mad. And it keeps no records of wrongs. It has no pleasure in evil, but it rejoices in the truth. And most of all,